In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Proton VPN not connecting. If Proton VPN won't connect, don't worry. In most cases, the problem can be fixed with a few simple troubleshooting steps. The best approach is to go in order, starting with the easiest checks first and then moving on to the more advanced fixes only if needed. First, check your internet connection. Before blaming the VPN, disconnect Proton VPN completely and try opening a website in your browser. If the website doesn't load, the issue is likely with your internet rather than the VPN itself. In that case, fix your connection first, then come back and try Proton VPN again. If your internet is working, the next thing to try is switching to a different server. Open Proton VPN, disconnect from the current server, choose another server or even another country, and then click connect again. Sometimes a specific server may be temporarily unavailable or overloaded, so changing servers can solve the issue quickly. If that doesn't work, restart Proton VPN itself. Close the app completely, make sure it's no longer running in the background, then reopen it and try connecting again. This can clear out temporary app glitches. You can also restart your device. Save any work you have open, restart your computer or phone, then launch Proton VPN again and reconnect. A full restart often refreshes your network services and can resolve connection problems that aren't obvious. Another important fix is changing the VPN protocol. In Proton VPN, open Settings, find the protocol option, and try switching between WireGuard, OpenVPN using UDP, and OpenVPN using TCP. Save the change and reconnect each time. Different networks handle these protocols differently, so one may work better than another. Next, make sure Proton VPN is up to date. Open the app, check for updates, and install anything available. After updating, restart the app and test the connection again. Running the latest version helps avoid bugs and compatibility issues. You can also temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus and then test Proton VPN. If the VPN connects after doing that, add Proton VPN to the allowed apps list and then re-enable your security software right away. Only disable security software briefly for testing. If nothing else works, reinstall Proton VPN. Uninstall the app, restart your device, download the latest version from the official Proton VPN download page, install it, and sign in again. For common issues, if it stays stuck on connecting, switch servers, change the protocol, or restart the app. If you see an authentication failed message, verify your account login details, then sign out and sign back in. If the VPN connects but you have no internet, disconnect and reconnect, temporarily disable kill switch in settings, and restart your network connection. And if a free server is full, try another one or wait a few minutes and try again.